So this is not sewing video. This is, as you can probably tell by the title, Secret Santa time. An amazing YouTuber called Nikki Lee-am decided it would be a great idea to organise a Secret Santa amongst costubers, people on YouTube who film about and love costume. I was privileged enough to be one of the people she asked to join in, and I said yes, absolutely, that sounds fun. So I think it was 24 costumers who make YouTube videos. Most of them make YouTube videos, I think they all intend to, have joined together to do a Secret Santa. It's worldwide. It was all drawn at the beginning of November, so we had time to choose our gifts and get them sent off and video receiving a gift. It's been great. It's been lots of Facebook stalking of each other and internet stalking, so we can all find out what each person likes and is interested in. And we all have the theme of costume, which is brilliant because you know that you got half a chance of the person liking what you send. So I drew the lovely tailor of Dame Zella Mode. She makes the most amazing 18th century jewellery. Her link is below. All the links will be below for everyone who was involved. One thing that we all got to do on a private group was anonymously list what we liked and what we were interested in. So we had a few clues. One of my other activities is I have a very small business. I sell American Duchess shoes in the UK. So I import them and sell them from the UK so that people in the UK and Europe don't have to worry about duties and VAT and all that kind of nonsense. So as part of that business, I am fortunate enough to trade at a huge Reenactors Market in the UK, in Warwickshire, called the original Reenactors Market. Politics, don't ask. Known as TORM for short. So I figured that the best place to get gifts for a lovely American jeweller would be at the original Reenactors Market. So whilst I was there, in some quiet moments, I left my daughter in charge and I went shopping. I took a few bits of film of some of the amazing things that are sold at the market and a teaser of some of the stalls I actually visited. So I hope you enjoy my adventures with Costube Secret Santa. Quick video of my very best customer. Right, I didn't actually have it on video. Well, that was sensible, wasn't it?
Yes. Well, you're doing better than me just
So there we go. Let's try the Fabulous Sarah Thurswood again, but with the video on.
And even I can't cut a thread the right length to get to the end of the seam.
Oh, everybody does it.
Yeah.
Lovely Zach, busy as usual. Always talking to someone. This is very popular. And Wilhelm. Always time for a gratuitous fabric shot. hand-dyed, natural-dyed linen threads from the Mulberry Dyer. Beautiful little things. There's 5 colours. There is weld, woad on natural dye, madder, cochineal, and logwood. Hand-dyed threads, maybe a bit of embroidery, sewing something special. I thought they were pretty. A pomander, which I got from the Merchant Adventurers. Pomanders are used from the medieval period right through to the 16th, 17th century. And it comes with a little pack of rose petals, which you don't open until it's time to use the pomander. So I'm going to leave those in their packet to keep them fresh. And finally, a really pretty piece of vintage lace, which is already a collar and front, but could be taken down, for an Edwardian blouse. Probably from an Edwardian blouse, and also for one, which I got from Farthingale Hats, who also sell vintage lace. And as a little extra for the cats, as I know that my recipient has cats and loves cats, a couple of Sally Pointer and Gareth Riseborough's plague rats, stinky rats. They are all natural, so they've got wood wool fill, leather ears, woolen tails, cotton bodies, and full of catnip and valerian, which cats supposedly go absolutely nuts for. So there we go. All packed up and ready to be sent far across the sea. Happy Christmas. So, I got home today, just after lunch, and the post had arrived. One of the items in the post was a mystery parcel. Now, it didn't have anything written on it that said Secret Santa, but then I forgot to put Secret Santa on mine, so that's not particularly surprising. It did have a return address, but instead of a name, there was a question mark, which makes me think that might be my Secret Santa. So I'm out walking the dogs now, because I actually wanted to get some sunlight. Look, isn't this beautiful? An Iron Age fort. This is thousands of years old, but it's the only place I can get some sun in the winter. So, walk the dogs, and I've got a couple of other things I need to do, and I will film opening the parcel. Now, if it's not my Secret Santa and it's just something random I bought from eBay, then you won't see the video, so no loss. So yeah, I'm going to carry on with my sunny walk, and I'll let you know what the parcel is later on. Okay, let's go for it. So, in the post today, this arrived. I might blank out the address. It's from somewhere I don't recognise, but there's no name. Very suspicious, in a good way. So I'm going to open it, and if it's my Secret Santa, you'll see this video. It's that really weird thing where... Oh, it's got a card. It's got a round card. Oh, very pretty round card. Merry Christmas. From somebody mysterious. Very sparkly. Yes, Santa time. Look at that. Little present wrapped. Sorry, I keep looking down at my screen. I shouldn't do that. Little present wrapped in beautiful red ribbon. Oh, I don't want to do it. The bow's so nice. Okay, there we go. Piece of grosgrain ribbon. Very nice. Everything usable. Look! Oh wow! Those are buttons. Look at those beautiful buttons. Oh, so pretty. Right, I'm going to try and get... That's a perfect Santa present. That is fabulous. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10 beautiful buttons. tiny little buttons. Look at the size compared to my finger. Oh, thank you, Santa. I have a suspicion I know who this is. She kind of gave herself away. Thank you very much. Those are so pretty. Little, in case you haven't realised, these are vintage buttons. These are not the original. Thank you very much. That's lovely. It's old and interesting and perfect, and I'm going to have to do something really fabulous to put these on. Oh, I'll get my thinking cap on. Thank you. I should say, thank you, Kathy. I'm pretty sure they're from you.